Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been hunting for the ultimate entry point into DTF direct-to-film printing, today's deep dive is exactly what you need. I'm unpacking the A4 L8058 DTF printer with oven starter bundle complete, all-in-one solution that promises to take your home studio or small batch apparel business from concept to finished shirt in a single, streamlined workflow. Grab a notebook, because we're going to break down every component, why it matters, and how it stacks up against the typical piecemeal setups you've probably seen. First off, the bundle itself is a game changer. Inside the box, you get the A4 L8058 printer, a compact curing oven, for 250 milliliter bottles of CMYK color ink, a 500 milliliter bottle of white ink, a roll of DTF film, and a bag of DTF powder. That's literally everything you need to start printing tees, hoodies, tote bags, or even custom caps without scrambling to source separate parts. Most newcomers end up buying a printer, then hunting down a compatible oven, separate white ink tanks, and finally a roll of film, often discovering mismatched dimensions or firmware incompatibilities along the way. With this bundle, the manufacturer has pre-tested each piece to work seamlessly together, which cuts setup time from days to hours. Now let us talk about the heart of the machine, the XP600 printhead. This isn't just any nozzle array. The XP600 delivers 600 dpi resolution, meaning ultra-fine detail and smooth gradients. For a graphic-heavy design, think intricate comic-style artwork on a Kid ST. The XP600 reproduces every line crisply, without the banding that cheaper printheads can introduce. Compared to the more common 300 dpi heads you find on entry-level DTF units, the XP600 gives you a professional look straight out of the printer, which is crucial when you're competing with screen-printed or sublimated garments on platforms like Etsy or local boutiques. White ink is where many DTF systems stumble. Settling, clogging, and uneven coverage can turn a flawless dark fabric print into a speckled mess. The L8058 tackles this with an integrated white ink mixing system. Instead of a static tank that sits idle for hours, the system gently circulates the white ink, keeping it in suspension and preventing pigment from settling at the bottom. In daily use, that translates to a consistent opaque base on dark shirts, hoodies, or even polyester blends. I've run a week-long test printing a batch of black tees. Every afternoon, the white coverage remained uniform, and I never needed a deep clean, something that typically demands a full tank purge on other machines. Efficiency gets a serious boost thanks to the built-in roll feeder. The feeder accepts DTF roll film up to 8.27 inches wide, exactly the width of an A4 sheet, plus a little extra for edge-to-edge prints. Instead of swapping out individual sheets after each design, you can keep a 10-meter roll on hand and print multiple logos, chest graphics, or even full sleeve patterns without interruption. For a small business handling custom orders, say, a local sports team needing 30 jerseys with unique numbers, this means you can print all those variations in one go, then move straight to powder application and curing. The reduction in handling also cuts the risk of dust or scratches on the film, preserving print quality. Speaking of the curing step, the included oven is sized perfectly for A4 prints. It reaches the optimal 160-170 C range in just a few minutes, ensuring the DTF powder fuses to the film without scorching the ink. Most hobbyists use a makeshift heat gun or a large industrial oven, both of which introduce temperature variance and can ruin delicate color blends. With this dedicated oven, you get a consistent cure time, typically 8-10 seconds per pass, so your transfers adhere securely when you finally press them onto fabric. The workflow becomes a 4-step loop: print, powder, cure, press. No guesswork, no extra equipment rentals. Real-world use cases illustrate the bundle's versatility. Imagine a DIY fashion brand releasing a limited edition graphic tee line. You design a high-contrast artwork with neon pinks, deep blues, and white text on a black shirt. The XP600 reproduces the neon colors with vibrancy. The white ink system lays a solid base, and the roll feeder lets you churn out 50 prints in a single session. After a quick powder dusting and a 9-second oven bake, the transfers are ready for a standard heat press. No need for a separate pre-press or extra drying time. Another scenario: a craft fair vendor creating on-the-spot personalized mugs or tote bags. The compact A4 footprint fits on a crowded stall table. The oven is portable, and the whole system can go from digital file to finished product in under 10 minutes, delighting customers with instant custom merchandise. How does this bundle compare to typical alternatives? If you buy a generic DTF printer, you'll likely get a 300 dpi head, a separate white ink tank that requires manual agitation, and you'll need to source an oven that may be oversized or undersized. That fragmented approach adds hidden costs, extra cables, adapters, and the inevitable trial and error with ink viscosity or curing temperatures. The L8058's all-in-one design eliminates those pain points, delivering a calibrated ecosystem where ink flow, temperature, and film handling are already optimized. The price point is higher than a bare-bones printer, but when you factor in the savings on third-party accessories and the time saved on setup, the ROI becomes clear within a few weeks of steady production. In conclusion, the A4 L8058 DTF printer with oven starter bundle packs everything a serious hobbyist or emerging apparel entrepreneur needs to launch a professional-grade DTF operation. The XP600 printhead guarantees razor-sharp, vibrant prints. The white ink mixing system keeps dark fabric work consistent. The roll feeder slashes downtime, and the dedicated oven seals the process with reliable curing. If you've been on the fence about diving into DTF because of complexity or equipment mismatch, this bundle cuts the learning curve dramatically. Ready to level up your custom printing game? Hit the link in the description to grab your bundle, and let me know in the comments what first design you'll be printing. Subscribe for more gear reviews and step-by-step tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll actually fire up the printer and walk through a live print from start to finish. Happy printing!